Check out this Jeep 2018 Cherokee Latitude Plus. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 3C with 8.4 display, Sirius XM satellite radio, air conditioning, auxiliary transmission oil cooler and rear window defroster. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.